It's Sabi again. Today I'll be showing you how to make Lyonnaise potatoes or sauteed potatoes. In my ingredient I have black pepper, soy sauce, vinegar, onions chopped, salt, sliced and washed potatoes, finely chopped coriander, and margarine. First I'm going to parboil my potatoes. In my boiling water, I will add salt and vinegar. Then I add my potatoes, my finely sliced potatoes, and I will let it boil for some time. The potatoes should not be fully cooked because we are going to fry them. Just stir it a little. When it starts boiling up, I'll turn off the stove and drain the excess water and set it aside. In a pan, I will saute my onions and I'll let it fry for 2-3 minutes. I'll keep on stirring in to make sure it's well cooked. It should not be burnt. Once it has sweat, I'll drain the excess oil and bring it back to fry once more. Go ahead and season it with salt and soy sauce. Give it a good mix. Let it cook for 2 seconds. Once it's done, turn off the flame and transfer your cooked onions in a plate and set aside. In a stove, turn on your gas on a high heat. Heat your oil until it's very hot. We want to deep fry these potatoes, so we need hot oil. Add your potatoes. Make sure your flame is high so that it will take less time. I like my potatoes crispy, so I will fry them until it's crispy. In my other pan, I have margarine and I'm melting it. This recipe calls for butter, but I don't have butter, so I will use margarine. Once the margarine has melted, turn off the stove and ensure the melted margarine has covered the whole pot. You can swirl it a bit to ensure the whole pot is greased with margarine. Now my other pan is all covered with margarine and the potatoes are ready. I'll remove it as I transfer on the other side. Remember, my other pan has no fire, no flame at all. Just place some potatoes. If you have, put enough on the base. Add some cooked onions, my caramelized onion. You remember I use vinegar while parboiling my potatoes. That is why it has turned that crispy. Sprinkle some black pepper. And add another layer. Go in with some coriander, sprinkle. You will continue this process, adding other layers of the potatoes on the garnished potatoes until you are done cooking all your potatoes. Guys, if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing, like, and share with your friends. For more recipes, press the notification bell. Each and every time I upload, you will be notified. Thank you. My other bunch of potato is ready. I will repeat the process until all the potatoes are covered. Look at the potatoes, nicely cooked. Thereafter, I will place my potatoes in oven. I like to serve my potatoes warm, and I still have some other stuff to do as I get prepared to go to the church. I'll set my oven and let my potatoes sit there for about 5 minutes as I get ready. I don't like my potatoes soggy and sweaty. That is why I'll keep them in our oven for about 5 minutes. Otherwise, this stage is optional. You can as well finish and garnish your potatoes and serve it. The potatoes are ready. Look at it. Lovely, lovely color. You can toss it a bit to mix it well. I'm done, and now I want to serve my potatoes. As hot as they are, I love them hot. Guys, if you have potatoes and onions, you can try this recipe and bring back your feedback. You will love it with the family. It's a quick fix. For breakfast, you are good to go. You don't need to buy bread all the time. It smells heavenly. Wow. I garnish it with the coriander. Look at the end result. Even the color is appetizing. Let me have a taste of it. Wow, yummy. Yummy. And the onions are wow. Wow, so sweet. Try this recipe. Keep it right here for more recipe. Share this video. Thank you.